Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Christmassy video, and it was my plan to have my little Christmas tree up in the background. I've ordered a real Christmas tree from Bloom and Wild, and it comes with like little trinkets to put on it, and it looks adorable. It was supposed to arrive today. I don't quite know what's happened, but it hasn't arrived yet, and I'm losing daylight, so I really do need to get this filmed. And as the title would suggest, this is a Christmas hamper unboxing, and I'm so excited about it. It's kind of similar to the one that I did for the autumn hamper, but different brands, different products, and I'm very excited to share it with you. And not only am I very excited to see what's inside, but this has all arrived in this massive Santa sack, which is personalised. I love anything that is personalised. It's full of goodies. I'm so excited to share everything with you. So we're just going to unbox it together because everything in here is individually wrapped. So I'm very excited. Please excuse the massive hair situation. I'll address it very quickly. I basically used the Dyson hairdryer diffuser for the first time, and I love it, but it looks wild on camera. It looks much better in real life. So I'm sorry if I appear to look a little bit cray with the hair situation, but it's just giving me loads of bounce, guys. Like, I'm loving it. Let me know what you guys think below. Again, if it's bothering any of you because it's just so wild, I'm sorry. Grab a mulled wine, hot chocolate, brandy, whatever festive drink you would like, and we're just going to get started. And I'm just going to grab things out at random as I come to them. And the first thing I have is in this lovely Christmas wrapping, and it says, "To Natasha, Merry Christmas, love from KSAP." So you guys will know I use KSAP cases and screen covers all of the time. I really like them. In fact, I think I currently have a giveaway running where I'm giving away a KSAP phone case of your choice. So basically I'm going to give you a code for you to shop the website completely for free. So if you would like to enter that, it's in my main Christmas gift guide that's already gone live. That was only open for a week, so I'm hoping it's still open. If it is, go and check that out for sure. But I do have plenty more giveaways coming your way, so don't be too disappointed if you haven't had a chance to enter that one yet. So we have both a phone cover and a MacBook sticker. I chose this one this time. They basically asked us which ones we wanted, and I just sent over a random selection. And I'm so happy that this one has been sent because this one is full of winter illustrations, so I'm definitely going to be popping that on my phone today. Gingerbread man, baubles, a deer, a log, some mittens. It's gorgeous. I really love these phone cases, and this one in particular is a really tough one, so it's going to protect your phone as well. And I dropped my phone a fair amount, and so do my children, and these cases are phenomenal, so I do love that. And I also have a MacBook sticker. And I'm currently, actually, my MacBook's over there, and I currently have a polka dot sticker on that I've got from KSAP. I'll show you a little picture of it so you guys can see just how amazing they look and how they really do transform your laptop. And I went for this one this time, which is this gorgeous mummy and baby whale, or daddy and baby whale, and I just thought it was gorgeous. Again, watercolour, something that a little bit different. I find them so unique, and again, I think that they really do transform the look of your laptop, so I'm thrilled to have those. By the way, I will link everything that I mentioned down below, as well as any discount codes that I have, website links, anything that I think will be interesting for you. So check out the description box if you're wondering about any of these wonderful products. Next gift we have, is there a tag on this one? Yes, there is. It says Merry Christmas from Perky Blenders. Haven't heard of that site before. Very excited. So what is this? Oh wow, this is a keep cup. This is fantastic. I don't have a keep cup, and I think that they're such a fantastic idea, and I definitely do buy warmer drinks at this time of year. Like I get hot chocolates on the regular, coffees, that kind of thing, so that's going to be super handy, and I love that. And what an amazing idea for a stocking filler. If you know someone that likes to be more sustainable and likes to do their bit for the environment, I think that is a really lovely thing to have. And it says reusable, not disposable. Join the reuse revolution with Keep Cup, and through your actions inspire others to do the same. Many small acts make a phenomenal difference, and it's definitely true. I think that's wonderful, so I'm so happy to have that. And also in the package we have, but I also have a Perky Blenders specialty coffee, and this is their forest blend. Very exciting to try that. And also we have the Soapsmith Blenders coffee as well. Oh, actually, no, this is a body scrub. That's not a body scrub, is it? Yeah, so that's just basically a coffee that you would drink, and this one is a coffee scrub for your body. So I'm very excited about those two products. Thank you so much, guys. I'm really, like, I think I'm more excited about the Keep Cup, but I'm always on the hunt for new exfoliants and new coffee to try. So the next item is quite big. I have no idea what this massive package is, but I'm excited. And this one says, "To Natasha, Merry Christmas, the amazing mystery box." So already I'm intrigued. I'm not one of those people that opens things delicately. I like to rip things open to have to see. Oh, I think this is something for Harrison. I'm pretty sure that they asked me would I like some gifts for Harrison as well. And it's a big box full of Thomas the Tank products. You know what? I'm going to let him open this because I feel like he would definitely enjoy to do that. But I'll just quickly show you what we have. So we've got 2 figures here. So 2 little toy trains. We also have a mini bag, a reusable cup. He's probably a little bit young for this cup, but my nephew is definitely not, so that would be going to him. We also have a slightly bigger cup, which is going to be ideal for him. We also have this activity box, which I'm sure he'll have fun doing, and a backpack as well. So that's such a lovely addition. I think he'll be absolutely thrilled with all of that stuff, as will Layla actually, because she loves trains, so I won't just limit that to Harrison. But yeah, very excited for that, so thank you so much, guys. So the next thing is from Prescott. I don't really know, the writing on that one has thrown me a little bit, but let's just open it and see what we have. Feels quite soft actually. So let's have a look. Prescott. Never heard of this brand before, but I think they're cards and they are absolutely gorgeous. So it's a selection of Christmas cards and they've got really lovely designs on them, very, very different. Ones that you kind of find in places like Paper Chase, Oh Dear, Anthropology, Oliver Bonus, that kind of thing. What lovely products. I'm really excited to have those. I think they're lovely, and I'm definitely one of those people that sends Christmas cards out to everybody. Like even all of my neighbours, everyone gets a Christmas card from me, so they will definitely come in handy for sure. And how cute is that? A little doggy and kitten. The kitten doesn't look very happy though. So the next gift we have is from Buy a Gift. So let's open it and see what we have. Cool, so this is kind of an experience gift, I think. I'm not too sure what this is. Oh, it's a 2-for-1 London chocolate tour. So this is basically a tour. I mean, I love chocolate. I don't go down to London too often. It says treat the chocolate lover in your life to a fascinating tour of London's finest chocolate district. I tell you what, I don't go to London too often, so this is going to be a giveaway prize. Let's make this a giveaway. So if you live in London or you're happy to go down to London, you can get a 2-for-1 experience for a London chocolate tour. So if you would like to win that, comment down below, let me know, and I'll send this over to you because I want someone to experience it, but I don't go to London too often, if at all. So it says treat the chocolate lover in your life to a fascinating tour of London's finest shopping district. Upon arrival at Green Park Underground Station, you'll be met by a friendly and knowledgeable guide who is a former coffee and cocoa commodity trader. You'll then visit a variety of chocolate suppliers in London, including the Queen's supplier, and even have a chance to sample over 7 types of chocolates and truffles. It's a delicious experience for anybody harbouring a sweet tooth. So that's lovely. Yeah, let's make this a giveaway. If you're in London and that sounds up your street, or if you'd like to gift it to someone, we'll make that a giveaway. I think that's lovely. So yeah, comment down below, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Hey ho, that's it. Okay, so the next thing we have is from Teddy Edward. Again, not heard of this brand before, but these look absolutely amazing. So we have some long knitted socks, which, to be honest, look like my absolute dream situation. I am always in some kind of bed socks, whether it's my cashmere ones from the White Company or my trusty Primarks that I have on right now. I am in some kind of thick sock, so these will go down a treat for me. They're a beautiful cream colour with red trim, super Christmassy, and these are the only ones that I will have that go all the way up the leg. Very excited about those. So yeah, again, that is Teddy Edward. And this is a British brand, which is lovely because I like to support brands closer to home as well, or that are from home. So that's fantastic. I'm very excited about that. So let's grab this out because I feel like it's struggling to stay in the wrapping, this one. Oh dear, this one has actually come open. So this is from the brand So Shape. So we have a silicone mould. So I'm guessing this is some kind of, oh cool, so it's a smart pancakes kit. So basically, I'm guessing that these are pancakes that are good for you. They are high in protein, high in fibre, 0 sugar, 0 fat, 0 gluten. I don't get to eat pancakes as often as I would like, so anything that makes them relatively guilt-free is incredible. We also have this water bottle. This is basically a shaker detox bottle, apparently. And it's got this nice kind of Christmassy design to it, which is really nice. We also have the Smart Muffins. So it's going to be a very, very treat-filled Christmas for me. And then here we have, what is this? Mint chocolate chip ice cream. Is that something you'd use to make your own ice cream? Not too sure. I need to have a bit of a read about it, to be honest. But again, anytime I get sent food, especially food that's kind of guilt-free and lets me indulge, I'm all for trying. So I'm very excited about that. The next gift we have comes from, is it Body? I'm not too sure. Let's open it and have a see. And this is a modern underwear for everybody. Not sure what this is. Is it underwear? This is underwear. I wasn't expecting there to be underwear in this parcel, but I don't think I will ever turn underwear down. What's so special about this? Let's have a read. It says, for lady leaks and periods, these are period pants. Wow, so this is actually quite cool. This has become interesting to me now. So basically, this is those knickers that you would wear on your period that you don't have to wear anything else, I don't think, because the sanitary product is built in. Again, I'm going to have to do a bit of research on it to find out what this is about. I have it in the size 12, which might be a little bit big for me, but you know, on your period you do want knickers that are slightly oversized, I guess, so happy to try those. If you guys have tried anything similar, let me know. I have tried the Moon Cup. I did a video on that last year. If you haven't seen it and you are interested in that kind of thing, I would definitely recommend it. So I am excited to try that, so let me know what you guys think down below. This next gift is from Herbal, so I'm guessing it's something tea related, but we'll see. Oh no, it's not! So this is Celtic Herbal. So this is actually a natural soft soy Christmas candle, spiced orange and clove. That smells exactly identical to the White Company candle in winter. That is incredible. That smells divine. I love that, and I love the packaging as well. I think it's really Scandi, really apothecary inspired. I really like that. That's spiced orange and clove. We also have the spiced orange and cinnamon natural soap. That would make a really nice stocking filler. I think my dad would love that. This kind of looks like the soaps that my dad uses, so I might save that for my dad. Although it smells really good. I don't know, I'll decide. And then the last product we have is the vanilla lip balm as well, which smells divine. It smells good enough to eat. I'm always on the hunt for good lip balms. In fact, I've just run out of my Magic one by Charlotte Tilbury, so it'll be great to have something to replace it with. So I'm really looking forward to that, and that is 100% natural beeswax as well. And that's it, guys. We've come to the end of this really generous unboxing, so I'm really excited about all of these products. I hope it's giving you guys some inspo, what you could stick in your stockings, things to ask for in regards to gifts for yourselves. Really lovely selection of brands there. So yes, about the giveaway, when it comes to the chocolate tour, please comment down below if you would like to enter for that. I'd love to ship it to one of you, just so someone gets the benefit of it, because I don't think I'll be going to London anytime soon. So yeah, comment down below, like this video, get in touch anyway, even if you're not entering the giveaway. Let me know what you guys are up to over Christmas. I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you to the guys over at Social Network Solutions for sending all of these products over, and also to all of the brands that were included. So yeah, thank you. Check out the description box for links and discount codes and all that jazz, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!